The ecoNET platform provides remote access to the Aerona Smart Controller for monitoring and management. There are two types of account access. The homeowner level, which allows monitoring and control of a single installation. A customer's personal data is only visible at this level, and the installer, also known as the service engineer level, which enables the monitoring and control of multiple installations. This tutorial covers the setup of the ecoNET account for the installer. This account level is available to G1 heat pump installers only and can be accessed via the ecoNET web-based portal. G1 heat pump installers can apply for this account level through their G1 portal account. In the left-hand navigation menu, click on ecoNET Application and complete the form. Following submission, the Grant pre-sales technical team will issue login details including a temporary password to the G1 heat pump installer via email within 24 hours. The installer should consider changing their password on their first login. We recommend this account be set up in advance of their first smart controller installation. This will allow the G1 installer to both check the functionality and demonstrate it for the homeowner. It's important to note, for the installer to assign a controller UID to their remote monitoring account, the homeowner's account must first be registered and the homeowner must give their permission for remote access by toggling the remote access rights to be either preview, read-only, or modification. Remote monitoring and access will not be possible if the homeowner has forbidden access. The homeowner can withdraw this consent for remote access at any time by toggling access to Forbidden. For each installation completed, the controller UID must be added independently to an installer's G1 account with the controller UID assigned via the web-based portal. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Select the person icon and then tap My Account from the drop-down menu. In the left-hand menu, select Manage Devices. Here an Add Controller field will be displayed. Enter the UID and click Submit. Devices that have been installed and added to a G1 installer account will be displayed in a list form that the installer can then click on to access. Subject to the homeowner registering the UID with ecoNET and remote access is permitted. Find out more at grantuk.com.